We arrived in Huacachina not really sure what to expect. When we came across this oasis, we couldn't really believe it. This is one of the driest places on earth. We then set off on our sand dune adventure and came across these amazing vehicles. They were like giant engines with seats strapped to them. They made a huge roaring noise and really got your heart racing. So we're really excited about setting off and finding out what it was going to be like. Here we are, strapped in, big grins on our face, ready for an adventure. Just the sounds of the engines was really exciting, and seeing them running along the top of the sand dunes. I was a bit worried about my back, but anyway, what's the worst thing that can happen, as I normally say, faced with these scenarios, and away we go.
Some sort of car park. Anyway, they'll be up doing that in a minute. And over there is where they do the sandboarding from the top of the hill. Check out that. If ever I've seen powder, that's got to be it. However, with my knackered back, I'll be giving that a miss because I want to do my trek. Anyway, there we go.
That's probably given you a pretty good idea of what it was like, and we were glad to get out and stretch our legs. In fact, some of us took it a bit far and decided to climb all over the vehicles. It was a really amazing experience being up in those sand dunes, and just felt like being on top of the world. Anyway, the afternoon ends as we sit there and watch the sun go down over the sand dunes before we pile back into the truck again and head back to Huacachina, and a big party night, because honestly the adrenaline was running so hard I just couldn't calm down till about 3 o'clock in the morning. So anyway, looking at the name of the hotel, Huacachina, I gotta say it absolutely was.